At least 15 people have died after a series of 3 blasts rocked the Afghan capital, Kabul. The biggest attack involved a bomb placed on a minibus carrying government employees and their families. And that was followed quickly by a suicide bombing and a car bomb. The Taliban has claimed responsibility for one of the attacks. And this comes as the chairman of the U.S. Joint Chiefs of Staff meets top U.S. and NATO officials in Kabul. The U.S. is trying to negotiate a deal for foreign forces to leave Afghanistan in return for security guarantees by Taliban militants.
Facebook has removed more than 1,800 accounts and pages across Thailand, Russia, Ukraine and Honduras for what it calls coordinated inauthentic behavior. They had a collective following of more than 270,000 accounts. A Facebook official said the accounts used networks of fake accounts to mislead people over their identity and agenda. The ones in Thailand had used fictitious personas to promote narratives about the Thai politics, U.S.-China relations and protests in Hong Kong.